Hi, my name is Elizabeth Lopez, and this is vlog number 3 for the ENC 1102 project. And the research question I'm going to be looking up and doing some research on today is how does recycling affect one's emotions compared to not recycling, and how can companies play off of that? So to look up articles on this question, I used the FIU Library's databases, and the keywords I used were effects of recycling and emotions and feelings, and I came up with a bunch of articles. And I scrolled through and read a couple, and the one I decided to use was this one. So the article that I found is titled "The Effect of Recycling versus Trashing on Consumption, the Theory and Experiment Evidence," and it's published by the Journal of Marketing Research, and the authors are called Monique Sun and Remy Trudel. So in this article, it states the experiment that they did where they asked a group of people various questions on recycling and trashing, and then their emotions based on that. Like, for example, one of the questions that they asked is, you're at a party and there's a bunch of cups and you're gonna have the same drink the whole night. Would you rather use 1 cup or 6 cups? You're gonna have 6 drinks. And a majority of the people, 68 of which is 96% of the people, said they'd rather use 1 cup. So it kind of shows that people are, so that set of questions like that, they ask various questions like that, show that people are mindful of waste and that they would prefer not to make as much waste. And then it also goes on to discuss another like kind of question where, for example, it says you go to a restaurant, you take 5 napkins, but you end up only using 3. And the trash and the recycling bin are next to each other. Would you rather trash the extra napkins that you didn't use or recycle the napkins? And then there was a percent of people that said recycle and percent of people that said trash, and they split those people into like the 2 groups that said either answer, and then from there asked their emotions on trashing and their emotions on recycling. And the paper shows, and the evidence shows, that the people that trashed had much higher negative emotions on the fact that they trashed compared to the people that recycled, who felt much less negative emotions and were more like proud of themselves that they actually recycled. So in conclusion, this research found that recycling will reduce a consumer's negative emotions and increase their positive emotions. And I think that's very interesting because it shows that people enjoy recycling, people enjoy minimizing their waste against creating more waste. And in the topic that I'm searching for, which is to reduce waste at FIU Food Industries, it shows that people are willing to like make a change and that they enjoy making changes. So companies can use this to get on people's good sides. Like, if recycling brings positive emotions, companies can begin to recycle or show that they recycle, or show they use recycled materials and win audiences and consumers, and grab their attention and please them. And I think that's very interesting. And where I want to go with my research is actually do primary research and ask someone specifically in an interview type of setting, like how they feel about recycling, how much waste do they think they produce, and are they willing to recycle, are they willing to minimize the use of plastic in their life, specifically in food industry, specifically in FIU, and just do primary research and a interview style for the next vlog. Thank you.